This gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Ocugen Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Ocugen Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score: 1.003. Predicted opening price for Ocugen Incorporated of Monday, December 28, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 28, 2020. Current price $1.87, $1.76. Undervalued. Cantor Fitzgerald is very positive to OCGN and gave it a overweight rating on October 9, 2020. The price target was set to $1.